Hello. So you think about moving to the Colorado Springs area or central Colorado, man, it's a beautiful fall day right now. Couldn't be a better day to look at some new construction homes that are ready to buy right now. I'm Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I specialize in all things real estate, but especially new construction homes. Before we get started with this walkthrough of this really nice home behind, I'd like to ask you to consider liking my YouTube channel and subscribe. That way you'll be notified every time I do a walkthrough of a new construction home. You'll be notified and get some good information as far as pricing, buyer incentives, and ways to save tens of thousands of dollars on buying a new construction home. So today we're in Banning Lewis Ranch in Colorado Springs, a very high demand neighborhood. We're looking at a home built by Oakwood Homes. This is the Shire model, a very affordable model that's 1,464 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. And this Shire is priced, hang on a second here, in the mid-4, let's see, the Shire is $439,230, a very affordable home. Oakwood Homes has some great buyer incentives now. They'll provide you with $35,000 of cash for cover your closing costs, maybe buying down a mortgage, or they'll provide you with a 30-year fixed 5.9% mortgage. Really lower your payments, make it very affordable. So let's go inside and see this nice home. I'll say also, keep in mind, guys, whether you want buying a home now, 30 days from now, or 6 months or a year from now, let's start communicating, have some conversations, maybe have a Zoom meeting or have a coffee meeting. I need to know what you're looking for exactly, the what, where, and when, so I can provide you the best service and find you the best deal and save you the most money. Okay, let's go in. This Shire model is a very attractive, small home, 1,464 square feet, but very, very livable, really nice kitchen, stone counters, nice high-end quality laminate flooring, lots of light, open floor plan, a very, very nice property. Like I said before, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. We'll go upstairs now and show you the bedroom area. Getting upstairs, the first thing you notice is very convenient for families having your laundry room on the upper level next to all your bedrooms. We've got 3 bedrooms here, master to my left, 2 of the bedrooms here, and there's 2 extra bedrooms out here are joined by a really nice and convenient Jack and Jill bathroom. So it makes it really convenient. Here's your master bedroom here. Very nice, flows into your nice master bath, double vanities, big shower, walk-in closet. It's all right here, very convenient for you. Great home, great place to live, and very affordable. Like I said before, this home is priced at $439,230. Plus you get the $35,000 of buyer incentives, makes it less than $400,000. It's just very affordable. If you like living in a home like this, where everything's very compact and really very useful, this is a nice home for you. I mentioned about Banning Lewis Ranch, a very, very high demand subdivision here in Colorado Springs. Miles and miles and miles of hiking trails, amenities, big clubhouse, pool, a lot of things going on. Some very high-end, high-quality schools here in the subdivision. So all in all, it's a great location, great subdivision, a great home. If this kind of home appeals to you, this is more of the affordable type homes in the Colorado Springs area. Let's have a conversation. We have some homes are even in the high threes too. Most homes out here in the Banning and Lewis Ranch are double this price. This is a great type of home for any young family or somebody who wants to downsize. If you like this home, want to have some more conversation, get back with me, 719-502-7176. I'm Gary Jordan, Jordan Property Group, and thanks for watching.